Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play the iconic Doom theme on guitar. This heavy metal classic relies on powerful, driving riffs. You'll need to master a strong palm-muting technique and aggressive down-picking to capture its signature sound. Let's dive into the main riff. Begin with an E5 power chord on the 6th string, followed by an F-sharp 5. The key is the quick slide from a G5 to an A5, giving it that unmistakable Doom feel. Remember to keep your palm muting tight and consistent throughout. This creates the chugging, relentless rhythm that defines the track. Practice these transitions smoothly. Achieving the right feel involves more than just the notes. You'll want to alternate between those tight, palm-muted sections and some open, ringing power chords for dynamic contrast. A heavy distortion pedal is absolutely crucial for that crushing, aggressive tone. Practice with a metronome to lock in your timing, aiming for a consistent, driving rhythm. Precision is key to sounding truly menacing. To truly master the Doom theme, start practicing at a slower tempo and gradually build up your speed and accuracy. Consider experimenting with alternative tunings, such as drop D, to achieve an even heavier, more resonant sound. Most importantly, immerse yourself in the original soundtrack. Internalizing the raw energy and feel will significantly enhance your performance. Keep practicing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.